techniques for any of you doing encapsulating glitters on the top of the gel polish, because it's not everybody using like liquid and powder or encapsulating liquid and powder. So this is the options for you to doing it with. So I am going to using my Touch of Colors kits. Sorry, it's been like really good and a bit messed up because I'm using so many of them. Like so many different pot container. I just want some background for this one and see how it's gonna take us. Can do background too, and then next to one we're gonna do some foil. You can do it like this, or you can get it completely ombre, or you can cover them completely. Just gradually. Great, so I am going to give it a cure for 60 seconds. Not bad at all, looks cute. Hi, Olivia. I know, right? I keep saying every time I say Sarisa, and my cereal will always tuning in. Hi, Keisha. How are you, love? Thanks so much for tuning in. Hi, Kami. Thanks so much for tuning in to our live tutorial. Happy Saturday and happy Sunday to all of you who in the East Coast time. All right, so that is Touch of Colors, and I mean so many of them, and of course that's like some of them I accidentally spill it too. So and right after that, we are going to use another coat of condensed glue gel to encap that completely. And now, if you are using with the, if you are using like 40 gels, after this I would do only one coat of condensed glue gel. Do not apply your top coat yet because I do need some tacky layer, but I definitely want to cap this nicely. All right, key it for 30 seconds, 60 seconds, I'm sorry. Hi Nene, how are you? So I'm excited because we start doing and playing with our 4D gel, and I'm gonna using my 3D brush. And you can see that if when you get to 3Ds, you can see two big bands right here is a thicker, versus to the twin tip brush is one band thicker and one band smaller, because it's one for the gel brush and the others for the light brush. All right, so I'm excited about this. It's a little bit tacky. I needed it because I need this one for my 4D gel. Oh, can I get another plate? So we'll see, I have some of them that I've been trimming already. And I pick one's little bits right there. It's really cool and it's super simple and easy. You can leap up the petals a little bit to make it look like a natural look. It looks so cool though. You gotta see it in person. I am so having fun with this. And next petals will be like have a tie-dyes. Facebook can't see anything though. Sorry, Facebook. So you're gonna using the tip of the silicones like tool, which is come in special design shape and the size for our 3D. So I'm really pleased with this. Really cool. Let's do another one. Going on this side. You can do a full flowers, like a whole entire flowers. It's gonna be look super cute as well. And there's this really nice things about you can really sculpting the way you want it. You want thinner, you want like thicker. Okay. Very cool. I'm gonna do the last one. And just using on the edges and on, I mean the side of the tips. Kind of guide on the side of the petals and sculpting it. Let's see, pick one smaller one here. Like, so when you do this, it's gonna be some of them might have like more blue. Some petals get more blue, some is get more white. Some get more red. This one has more. Sorry. Look cool? We're gonna dress it up so it doesn't look just simple like this. So if you want more blue, you want more red, I kind of like that. It looks closer. If you look closer, it looks so cool though. Let me show it closer how it got look. And let's dress this one up. And I am going to using my, and then basically when you see me earlier, I don't even need